Things are not looking good for Murder Bongs right now. The former Black Motion star has been trending all over social media after entertainment blogger Musa Khawula dropped some serious allegations, claiming that Moda is cheating on DJ Zinhle with girls from UKZN. As expected, the internet wasted no time reacting. Many people said, "Where there's smoke, there's fire," suggesting that these rumors might not be too far from the truth. Others defended Moda, saying that Musa is just chasing clout. But let's be honest, Musa has a reputation for spilling the tea that usually turns out to be true. After the rumors started making waves, DJ Zinhle herself stepped in to defend her husband. She made it clear that people should stop believing everything they see online and respect her family's privacy. But just when things started to calm down a little, boom, new evidence dropped. Leaked screenshots surfaced showing Moda allegedly flirting with multiple girls on Instagram. One of the screenshots even shows what looks like an Uber request that he apparently ordered for one of the girls he was chatting with. Now social media is in chaos. People are flooding X, with most feeling sorry for DJ Zinhle. They're saying it must be heartbreaking to publicly defend your husband only for new proof to come out that suggests he might actually be cheating. At the moment, Murder Bongs is trending on X, and the story is growing by the minute. Fans are split. Some believe it's all a misunderstanding or maybe even fake screenshots, while others are convinced the rumors are true. Either way, this whole situation is messy and painful, especially for DJ Zinhle. Being in the public eye means your private life becomes everyone's business, and when you're dealing with betrayal rumors like this, the world doesn't give you time to heal. They just keep watching, judging, and waiting for your next move. Let's just hope DJ Zinhle is holding up well and has people around her for support, because situations like these are never easy, and no matter what the truth is, the internet never forgets.